Do you want to use Google Gemini models in Flutter and build powerful AI-driven applications? Then welcome to this course. My name is Muhammad Hamza Asif and I am a mobile machine learning instructor at Udemy. And for the past 6 years, I am teaching use of machine learning and AI in Flutter to over 60,000 students. In this course, you will learn to use powerful Gemini models in Flutter and build this beautiful chatbot application. So, while building this application, you will learn to build a beautiful chat application UI in Flutter. And in that application, we are going to use text-only input feature of Gemini to pass our questions to Gemini models and get the response in Flutter. After that, you will learn to pass images to Gemini models along with your questions. And based upon the image and the question, the model will gonna return the response inside our application. And after dealing with text and images, you will learn to get output from Gemini models using streams. So it means that you will be able to get results from Gemini models as they are being generated. After that, you will learn to use chat feature of Gemini model to have long contextual conversations with Gemini inside Flutter. And after using different features of Gemini in Flutter, you will learn to combine some other exciting features with Gemini inside our application. So firstly, you will learn to implement speech-to-text feature inside our application to pass input to Gemini models using your voice. Tell me something about Amazon rainforest. After that, you will learn to implement text-to-speak feature to hear the response of Gemini models.
The Amazon rainforest, a vital ecosystem. Geography, largest tropical rainforest.
So, after completing this course, you will be able to use exciting features of Gemini inside Flutter. Similarly, you will be able to create chatbots for a variety of use cases in Flutter. Apart from that, you can enhance features of Gemini by combining them with other exciting features inside Flutter. The complete course is about 4 hours long and it includes all source code that we write in this course. Every section has before and after source code, so you can easily code along with me. Apart from that, you will get a certificate upon completion, which you can add to your resume. And the course comes with a 30 days money back guarantee. So if you are not satisfied, just simply ask for a refund. But one important question is who can take this course? So if you are a beginner in Flutter or even an experienced Flutter professional, this course has something for you. So what are you waiting for? Join the course now and start building AI-driven applications in Flutter.